Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're in the dungeon today. Actually, we're here at Foort Travis and we just got done filming the inside with the drone of Battery 236. And so wanted to talk to you about what we have coming up. We've got some great shows starting November 1st. And thereafter, every Wednesday morning at 6 a.m., we're going to be playing Bolivar Live, Ask Me About Bolivar. And it's a new series with 32 plus shows in it weekly, every Wednesday morning, where we're going to go in depth. We're going to do 6 shows on Foort Travis, an overall general show. And then each bunker is going to have its own show talking about the makeup, views from around the bunker, a little bit of history, when it was built, and what kind of shells and guns it had in it. We're also going to do shows on the lighthouse, up in High Island about the birding, the North Jetties, the beach, businesses and more, all on Ask Me About Bolivar. This is going to be an in-depth show that's going to run for a year. And the first set of shows is about 32 to 35 shows. And we may do 6 shows on Foort Travis, may do 2 or 3 shows on the lighthouse talking about different aspects, 2 or 3 shows on the North Jetties, the beach. We're even going to talk about the Open Beach Act and what it means to Bolivar Peninsula. We're going to talk about the shrimping industry, the restaurants and more, all on Ask Me About Bolivar. We designed this show to give you an in-depth look into Bolivar Peninsula, the history, what we have to offer down here, the businesses and more, so that when you're done watching these shows, you know exactly how much fun you're going to have when you come explore our 27 miles of paradise. So we're excited about this. Want to send out a special thank you to Gulf Coast Market or the Big Store for sponsoring all these Ask Me About Bolivar shows. They went the extra mile when we talked about it, and they're helping support Bolivar Live and Ask Me About Bolivar. So if you need anything, head on down to the Big Store, and if the Big Store doesn't have it, chances are you really don't need it. We're going to head on out. How do you like the scenery? Imagine going through this by drone and videos showing exactly what it is inside this bunker. We're also going to talk to you about how you can see these bunkers and walk through them yourself on our website. We're going to head on out. We'll see you November 1st at 6 a.m. for the first annual Bolivar Live, Ask Me About Bolivar show, where we're going to do 32 to 35 shows letting you look in depth into our 27 miles of paradise. We're going to head on out. Look for you next week. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week, and remember, check us out on YouTube, where you can find us at youtube.com/@Bolivar Live. You can also see us on Bolivar Live TV on Roku, Amazon Fire. Just look up Bolivar Live TV. It's a free download. Or you can go to our website, BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com, and see it through our 11 live webcams and BolivarLiveTV.com. We're going to keep you connected to our Upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. God bless, and bye-bye.